Good morning, Mayong Aga. This is John of Arc. Olga has long
Not
gone.
this one.
You say
Hindi subo. Not man.
perfect. What are your favorite words so far?
Subo.
Subo. Not the soup.
Subo.
Subo. Subo is sad.
Hindi subo. Subo. Hindi ko subo.
And what's your favorite phrase so far?
Mo lang na.
and you say it perfectly.
O pila ang galustohon para sa salkyan.
And that's a lot.
My favorite.
My favorite too. How much for the car?
Ang galustohon para sa salkyan.
But how much for the ride is pila ang plete, fare. Pila ang plete.
I like this.
How much is the fare?
My red spot kadira. Because of my allergy. My red spot.
So how do you say red spot? May katol. Kamusta imo kape?
Me gusto mucho.
Name?
Mayo.
Mayo.
Mayonnaise.
Ara na ang pamahaw?
Okay, the real useful words are really like karon.
Eat is kauna. Kauna?
So it's kain.
Kain is Tagalog. Kaon is Ilonggo. So you have to remember the O and the I.
This really, of course, when you learn a language and you know only a few words, you always not only feel as an imposter, the imposter syndrome, but also you know the danger that they might talk back in fluent, whatever, Ilonggo, Cebuano, and you think, okay, you got me. So one of the words I sometimes use is my, is there, instead of do you have, or something, is there. For example, a toilet. My CR, is there a toilet? But always afraid of the answer that, oh no. But then I did learn DIRI here and DIRA over there. DIIN, where. So instead of asking where is the toilet, which I sort of still haven't mastered, what's where is the toilet?
Diin ang CR.
DIIN ang CR, okay, so it's where is the toilet. I usually use maybe something like my CR dira, is there a toilet over there? Or my CR diri, still haven't learned left or right or straight or back. But yeah, so I put my three words together and I haven't peed into my pants. So I have found the CR.
Survival Ilonggo.
That's for sure.
So those are the helpful words that Olga has learned so far, and also a must for foreigners who want to speak the local language here in Bacolod. Bye for now and see you again next time.